This is just a little look at my emergency power kit that I keep around the house. It's a Pelican 1510 with a Trekpak Insert. If we pop it open, you'll see a little spread of stuff in there. Most notably is the Yeti 150 from Goal Zero. After that, what's kind of nice about this, it'll charge all the other stuff that's in here. Keep a little emergency radio, a little UV5R from Baofane, charger for it, bunch of AA's and AAA's, a couple of CR123s in there also for flashlight batteries. This stuff's back in here. As you can see, I've got some more CR123s, a couple 18650s, as well as a charger for them, which will charge by the Goal Zero. I've done it before. It takes a while, but it'll work. There's a home charger for the Goal Zero. And then one of my favorite things is actually the Goal Zero Light of Life. If you could see that. See, like I was saying, this all fits in here pretty nicely. Takes a little bit of a maneuvering. Once it's all in, you don't have to worry too much. Stuff's back in. This actually fits perfectly right between the wheels on the bottom. So if you can see, I made just kind of a big slotted cutout for it with the Trekpak. This fits right into here. A little bit of extra space I haven't used up yet. Charger, the lantern, radio and some batteries and a charger. All fits in here pretty nice. And obviously with the 1510, it's got the rolling wheels, which makes it much easier to get around. And if you're gonna have the Goal Zero Yeti, any of them, you might as well have a solar panel to go with it. So that's my Boulder 50. Actually does a really, really good job of charging this thing up. I live in California, so there's plenty of sun for it. You can see it's pretty solid. An extension cable too. It was all built in with it, but it's hard to complain. This is really just in case the power goes out. Especially in California, my area, we get a lot of power outages. It's kind of a pain. Also too, in case there's ever an earthquake, we're gonna lose power, and that's kind of the main thing I'm worried about. But yeah, so here's a setup. Do a little size comparison of the Pelican, the Goal Zero behind it, the Boulder behind it. The panel's much bigger, but it's nice because it's pretty thin, as you can see, and it can kind of slide right in between stuff. Anywhere in the garage, in the car, just lay it flat, lay it between boxes, and it works pretty well. If you have any questions, let me know. Side comparison. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah. Not too bad. It's a nice little setup. I think it's rated to charge the Boulder 150 in about 6 hours, which is pretty simple to do. Plugs right in, throw it in the sun. You can stuff the Yeti right under it, kind of. Right under it when it folds down. Here. Legs. But yeah, this Pelican is awesome for kind of this use. If you're looking into getting a 1510, here's what the backside looks like. keep the manual right behind it, behind that top piece of foam. But yeah, take a little look inside. These cutouts in the Trekpak are super nice. I want to get a few more of these because these are actually pretty awesome. Light up a whole camp, and you can daisy chain them together, which plug right into that where that green little plug is. Daisy chain a bunch of these together, light a really big area. Got some extra cables in here too. Car plug adapter, which I actually use to plug in extra accessories on the front of this. You can throw this into the 12-volt section, like so, and then plug any of Goal Zero's stuff into that. That gives you an extra port to work with. 110 volt, 80 watt max. Obviously not huge, but this is the lower end budget version of the Goal Zero Yetis. It's actually a little bit older now. I think they have a new lithium one that's out. But honestly, this one works great. I can't complain. Take it camping all the time, which is honestly my favorite use for it. But it's also pretty expensive, so I've got it kind of built into this nice case.